You tell your child something once, no response. Twice, still no response. Third time, your voice is louder. And fourth time, you're angry. And finally you say, you never listen. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. Today we are going to discuss that how to talk when a child doesn't listen. But let me ask you something honestly. Is the problem really that your child doesn't listen, or it is how communication is happening at that moment? Every parent experiences this, and it doesn't mean that you are a bad parent. It means you're human. Children are not machines that respond to commands. They are emotional beings. When emotions are high, listening is low. Most of us talk to our children when we are busy, we are irritated, we are already stressed, and we talk from another room. While scrolling on the phone, while cooking or working, and then we expect the full attention. How it can be possible? Because we are not giving the full attention while calling them. रहे हैं और उन्हें बुला रहे हैं. अगर आपको सच में उन्हें बुलाना है, अगर आपको उनकी ज़रूरत है, तो आपका वो काम 2 सेकंड के लिए छोड़ के उन्हें बुलाइए. So before giving instructions, connect first and then say, look at me for a second, I need to talk to you. See, this small action changes everything. Now the child feels seen, not ordered. Fewer words and calm voice. And don't listen, parents usually speak more. अरे जल्दी करो, मैं कब से बोल रही हूँ, अरे यहाँ आ जाओ, ये करो, वो करो, अरे सुनो तो सही, तुम सुन नहीं रहे. But children listen better to fewer words, calm tone and clear message. So instead of saying that how many times I told you not to do this, just go to them and tell them once, beta, ये नहीं करना, please don't do this. That's it. You can tell them, if you want to tell them something, that do this or do that, just say that please keep your shoes in the rack, please keep your books on the table. One sentence, no lecture, no anger, nothing. बस आपको सिर्फ उनके पास जाके उनके आंखों में आंखें डाल के उनको ये बात बतानी है. Children are curious by nature. They don't like to follow blind orders. So always add a reason. Finish your homework so you can play peacefully later. So reasons build understanding and understanding builds cooperation. तो अगर आप उनको कुछ बता रहे हैं, कुछ आप काम दे रहे हैं, तो वो आप काम क्यों दे रहे हैं वो भी उनके साथ बताइए. ऑर्डर्स लेना तो किसी को भी पसंद नहीं. इवन हमें भी कभी कभी नहीं अच्छा लगता है ऑर्डर्स लेना. तो बच्चे कैसे लेंगे? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग देम ऑर्डर्स, आपको उन्हें ऑफर करना है या रिक्वेस्ट करनी है. पावर स्ट्रगल्स रिड्यूस लिसनिंग. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ फोर्सिंग, ऑफर चॉइसेस. डू यू वांट टू ब्रश योर टीथ नाउ और आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स? क्योंकि वैसे भी अगर आप बच्चों को बोलोगे कि चलो ब्रश कर लो, तो वो एनीवेज 5 मिनट इधर उधर का काम करके लगाने ही वाले. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ just saying them to brush your teeth right now, just give them the choice कि अभी करो या तो after 5 minutes करो. उतने टाइम में तो कर ही लेगा. So both the options work for you, but the child feels respected and respect creates cooperation. क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि हाँ, मम्मा ने मुझे एक ऑफ़र दिया है, उसने मेरी रिस्पेक्ट की है कि मैं वो खुद चुन सकता हूँ, क्या मैं अभी करूँ या 5 मिनट्स के बाद. तो he will feel important कि हाँ, मुझे अभी चॉइस मिली है, तो I need to do that. When your child listens, even a little, notice it and say thank you for listening. I like how you did that calmly. Because appreciation is not spoiling. It is the emotional fuel of good behavior. आप उनकी तारीफ़ करके, उनके बारे में अच्छा बोल के उन्हें बिगाड़ नहीं रहे हो, उन्हें स्ट्रेंथ दे रहे हो और वो भी खुश होके और अच्छा काम करेंगे. Many times parents say कि अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाते हैं तो हम बाबा उनकी तारीफ़ नहीं करते. हम बोलेंगे कि अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए, तो पढ़ना ही छोड़ देते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू मोटिवेट देम, क्योंकि उनको लगेगा कि हाँ, मेरे पेरेंट्स खुश हो रहे हैं, तो आई हैव टू स्ट्रगल मोर, आई हैव टू स्टडी मोर टू गेट मोर गुड मार्क्स. One of my colleagues once came to me with the same complaint many parents have. She said, teacher, I don't know what to do. My son never listens to me. Whenever I tell him something, he refuses. He doesn't eat the food I make and asks for something else. I ask him to study, but he never focuses. He back answers me all the time and makes me feel that I'm not good enough as a mother. So ये complaints बहुत पेरेंट्स की होती है कि उन्हें लगता है कि उनका बच्चा वो फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहा है जो वो चाहते हैं. I could see how tired and hurt she was. So first, I didn't correct her. I didn't give any advice immediately. I just made her sit comfortably. I allow her to unburden all her emotions. Because sometimes even parents don't need solutions. They need to be heard. So after she felt lighter, I gently asked her few questions. How do you usually talk to your son? How much time do you really spend with him? When was the last time you gave him your full attention? With no phones and nothing, no instructions. There was a long silence. Then I told her something very important. See, before expecting your child to listen to you, you have to make your relationship valuable to him. Be present first, connect first, build the bond first. Only when a child feels emotionally secure and valued will he start listening. Not out of fear, but out of trust and respect. तो उन्हें वो बताइए कि आप उनकी कितनी केयर करते हैं, आपके लिए वो कितने वैल्यूएबल है, तो बच्चे को फील होगा और वो क्यों नहीं सुनेगा आपकी बात. And many a times it happens कि पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि वो सुन नहीं रहा है, he never listens to me, he always bothers me. किसके सामने? उनके फ्रेंड्स के सामने, उनके रिलेटिव्स के सामने. should never do that because कैसे यहाँ पे बच्चों का सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस भी हर्ट हो रहा है. दे विल फील कि अरे फिर मैं क्यों ही अच्छा बनूँ, फिर मैं क्यों ही सुनूँ. जब आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कभी सुनता ही नहीं है और आपने सबको बता दिया है, and why should I listen? तो instead of telling others कि ये सुन नहीं रहा है, अगर वो सच में नहीं सुन रहा है ना पेरेंट्स, you have to follow the reverse psychology. आपको उल्टा सबके सामने ये बोलना है कि इज़ वेरी गुड चाइल्ड, ही ऑलवेज लिसन्स टू मी. तो देखना मैजिक, वो सच में फॉलो करने स्टार्ट करेगा. Situation of the session is you're busy in the kitchen or on a phone call and you shout and give instructions to your child from another room. Your child says कि yes, yes, okay mama, yes, ठीक है, करता हूँ, ठीक है, आ रही हूँ. But after some times, nothing happens. What will you say? What will be your reaction? So in this type of situations, no panicking and no scolding. Your child is already anxious and your calm becomes their first safety net. So stay calm and say clearly that I won't do it for you, but I will sit with you and help you plan how much you can realistically complete tonight. Let the child decide what can be done now. Experience the natural outcomes. Partially submission होगा या तो एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा टीचर को कि नहीं हुआ है. बिकॉज रेस्क्यूइंग टुडे क्रिएट्स डिपेंडेंस टुमारो. आप एक बार बचा लोगे, हर बार तो नहीं बचा पाओगे. सो सपोर्ट देम विदाउट टेकिंग ओवर. आपको पूरी तरह से लिए बिना उनको सिर्फ सपोर्ट करना है कि आप हो उनके साथ, बट उनका काम तो उन्हें ही करना है. सो नेक्स्ट डे जस्ट कामली डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स विद देम कि व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, how can we fix this and how can we avoid this next time, what system can we create like planning, reminders, fixed study timetables. See, this moment teaches them responsibility, time management, accountability and problem solving under pressure. So homework may be forgotten, life skills should not be. Children don't ignore us to hurt us. They ignore us when they feel unheard themselves. So next time your child doesn't listen, Just remember to connect first, speak calmly, and keep it simple. Because when connection grows, listening follows naturally. So train your brains, as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.